Did you know that black holes can be beautiful and even friendly? Researchers have found that black holes are fascinating cosmic entities that are worth getting to know. These ancient and powerful beings are surrounded by a cold, inky veil called the black hole's event horizon. This radius marks the point where anything that ventures too close risks being torn apart by the black hole's intense gravitational field. But what if we could somehow peer through the veil and see the hidden side of black holes? Do you know what a black hole is? The word black in black hole is not only connected to the darkness. The scientific fact is that a black hole is a celestial body that has a gravitational force that is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. According to NASA, black holes are growing in size with time. They have been growing since the universe was created. Black holes are also getting larger because they're consuming more matter than they were during the beginning of the universe. Astronomers believe that these celestial bodies will continue to grow and will eventually consume everything in their path. It is believed that a black hole is made up of 2 points called the event horizon. One point is where the matter goes in and the other point is where the matter comes out. The size of an event horizon depends on how much matter or energy it has captured. The event horizon is also thought to be inescapable. Nothing can ever escape from a black hole's gravitational field unless it has enough momentum energy to be able to transform into a photon and escape its gravitational pull. Every time something falls into a black hole, its mass increases, which causes its gravity to become stronger. If more and more objects fall into the black hole, then it will grow even bigger with enough mass to make it impossible for anything to leave it. The gravitational force from this celestial body is one way in which remains forever trapped inside it. Nothing gets away. One of the most fascinating facts about black holes is that they are celestial bodies that absorb matter and energy. They are so powerful that they can suck in stars, planets, and other objects. What's more surprising is that a black hole has such a gravitational force that even light cannot escape from it. This means you cannot see a black hole because there is nothing to reflect light. Though scientists can study a black hole's effects on the objects around it, and make a conclusion about its mass and size, they cannot actually see them as we cannot see darkness. We all know that black holes suck matter in, but now scientists have found that black holes also spew out matter too. A recent study showed that black holes can eject gas from their center at speeds of up to 2 million kilometers per hour. This is caused by the friction between the infalling gas and the hot plasma surrounding it. There is a limit to how fast this gas can escape, which varies depending on how massive the hole is. Scientists are not sure what happens to the gas after it leaves the gravitational field, but some of it could be propelled into space and form new stars. A black hole can form from 2 supermassive stars that are about to collide. This phenomenon is called a supermassive binary neutron star. If a supermassive binary neutron star exists, then it will form a black hole in the process of colliding with each other. How can you escape from a black hole? The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it gets too close. As black holes gobble up the matter in their surroundings, they also spit out powerful jets of hot plasma containing electrons and positrons, the antimatter equivalent of electrons. Just before those lucky incoming particles reach the event horizon, or the point of no return, they begin to accelerate. Moving at close to the speed of light, these particles ricochet off the event horizon and get hurled outward along the black hole's axis of rotation. Known as relativistic jets, these enormous and powerful streams of particles emit light that we can see with telescopes. Although astronomers have observed the jets for decades, no one knows exactly how the escaping particles get all that energy. Black holes are so powerful that they can break up a star and make it into thin strands. This happens when the gravity of the black hole is so intense that it makes the star's atoms separate. These strands are called spaghettified. Stars that orbit in the central parts of galaxies might occasionally wander so close to the black holes that they get trapped by their gravity. They get pulled closer and closer to the black hole and eventually die prematurely by spaghettification. Black holes have long inspired the imagination, yet have challenged discovery. However, from a combination of theory and observation, scientists now know much about these objects and how they form, and can even see how they impact their surroundings. Astronomers estimate that the Milky Way has anywhere from 10 million to 1 billion stellar black holes, with masses roughly 3 times that of the Sun.